Hi, welcome to the Level 1 Hip Rehab Program. Let's begin with a short warm-up. We recommend that you warm up with a bicycle for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. The reason why we like a bike is that it's excellent in terms of low impact activity, and it also allows for excellent hip range of motion. Obviously, if you don't have access to a bike, then you can walk in place, a treadmill, or even outside. You can actually try a heating pad if necessary. A warm-up period is essential to the success of any rehab program. During this time, we start to warm up our muscles, tendons, and ligaments. This has been shown to increase blood flow to the area, improve flexibility, and ultimately help reduce injury. While you're warming up, I just want to give you a few pointers. Like any rehab program, the concept of no pain, no gain is just not acceptable. Some discomfort can be normal, but if pain persists, you should consult with your physician. The key to the early phases of hip rehabilitation is regaining your range of motion. The hip can become stiff and painful after injury. A good portion of this program is dedicated to restoring that range of motion. It's important to understand that hip rehabilitation takes some time and dedication. Please be patient. Don't be too eager to advance to the next level. Here are some guidelines to help you decide if you're ready to advance. Minimal or no discomfort associated with walking. A noticeable increase in the motion about your hip, and obviously, if you successfully have completed this Level 1 program with no pain. If you're still warming up or need some more time, please pause the DVD until you are ready. Now that we're all warmed up, let's get into the position and begin our program. In this program, we'll only be working on the injured side. Okay, Emily, you're all warmed up, ready to go? Fantastic. Well, let's get into our first position. We're going to do our right leg because that's our injured side. We're going to do a lunge position. Again, we're going to get our knees a little bit farther forward, slightly bent, and we're going to press ourselves gently in. Okay, we're going to hold this position for approximately 15 seconds, and we're going to do this 2 times on this side, okay? So let's begin. Let's lean yourself forward, again, keeping this leg right behind you. How does that feel? Good. We're stretching the front portion, our deep hip flexor of the psoas, our quadriceps, our rectus, all the way down to the knee. 2, 1, okay, relax. Let's bring it back up. Take some deep breaths. Again, we never want to bounce in any of these stretches. We want to protect the muscles. We don't want to force it down either, especially if you're painful. Okay, let's do this one again. Let's lean inwards. And obviously, Emily's very flexible. For some of you who can't get into this position, we might be a little bit more upright. This leg might be a little bit farther down. Do what you can tolerate. You've got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, excellent. Okay, so let's stand up. The next stretch is going to be for our hamstrings, all right? We're actually going to do both legs at the same time. Our feet are going to be shoulder width apart. Okay, let's move this out of your way so you don't hurt yourself. What we're going to do is have a knee slightly bent, okay, position of comfort. We're going to lean over using our hands, so let's come on down, get to a nice comfortable position. We're going to hold that for 15 seconds. Let's go. You will feel this in the hamstring area and certainly sometimes in your lower back. That's okay. Again, we're going to pivot at the hip, not at the lower back. Our neck is nice and straight here. We've got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's come back up. Bring it back up. Support yourself. Roll yourself back up. All right, let's do that one more time. Here we go. Let's go back down. Knees slight bent, nice and stable. Coming down. Get to where you can reach. Don't try to force this. Again, never bounce. We're holding this for 15 seconds. 10 more seconds. Take some nice deep breaths as we do this. That's great. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's slowly come on back up. Fantastic. The next exercise that we're going to do are some calf stretches. So let's use our chair for some support. We're going to do a single leg stretch first. So we're going to bring our right or injured leg back. We're going to put it back about 1 to 2 feet. Again, position of comfort. We're going to keep our toes pointed forward. Okay, so let's begin by leaning our pelvis inward, holding it, keeping our leg on the ground This is for 15 seconds. Let's continue holding, breathing nice and deep through this, feeling a gentle pull. Again, you don't want to force this because the muscles will actually contract back against you, and that will diminish the stretch. 3 more seconds, 2, 1. Now bring it back up. That's great. How'd that feel? Good, excellent. All right, so let's bring that back down. We're stretching the upper portion of our gastrocnemius. It's the gastrocnemius and then the soleus and then our Achilles. We're concentrating on one muscle group here. We've got about 10 more seconds in this position. Looks great. 3, 2, 1, excellent. Okay, now we're going to do a stretch for our soleus. Okay, so we're going to put our feet together. We're going to use our chair again in a similar fashion. We're going to bend our knees and we're going to gently lean ourselves forward. Again, like you're skiing, pressing against the boot. Now we're stretching the lower portion called the soleus. Again, let's hold this for 15 seconds. Do you feel that lower down? Yeah. Great. All right. Nice and gentle, no bouncing. We're warming up all of our tissues, increasing our range of motion. We've got 5 more seconds. 2, 1, great. Okay, let's do one more in this position. All right, our bent knee stretch. So let's bend our knees gently, lean yourself forward, toes pointed forward, very important. Let's hold this again. We're going for 15 seconds here. Let's continue. We're at 10 seconds. Again, you can just try and bend over just a touch bit more. Feel that stretch, not too strong. Got 3, 2, 1, excellent. All right, now we're gonna move on to our adductor stretch. Again, the inner aspect of the thigh. So let's have a seat. Again, we're gonna try and put our feet in front of us here. Comfortable position. We're gonna use our elbows. Back is gonna be nice and straight, and we're gonna take our elbows and gently push our hips down. All right, let's do this. For 15 seconds, we're gonna hold this. Now again, some people, especially if you have an injured hip, and we're using the right as the injured hip, it might not be as loose as the other side, so it actually might be up in this position, and that's okay. A little asymmetry is okay. We're gonna work to get this down. 2 more seconds. Okay, let's relax and bring them back up. Take a breath. That's great. Okay, let's go back down and do that again. Use our elbows, back straight, head looking gently straight in front of you. Nice, comfortable position. You should feel relaxed as you're doing this. Okay, we've got about 10 more seconds on this stretch. That feels good? Feel that, right in the inner thighs. Good, good. 5 more seconds. Excellent. Okay, let's relax. Our next stretch that we're gonna do is for our lower back. So let's lay on our back, single knee to chest. All right, so we're gonna keep that left leg straight, right leg's gonna be bent. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our knee to our chest with those hands, okay? And we're gonna hold this for 15 seconds. Let's begin. Now, if this seems a little uncomfortable because you're putting lots of pressure on that knee, you can actually move your hands to the back of the leg, and that might be more comfortable. All right, we're gonna hold that. About 5 more seconds here. That looks great. 2, 1, let's bring the leg down, nice and gentle. Good, all right. Let's bring that back up and pull it towards your chest. You feel that, yeah? Lower back and buttocks, great, great. Okay. You've got about 10 more seconds here. Doing a great job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent, okay? Let's bring both knees up because we're gonna do some trunk rotations now, okay? What we're gonna do, we'll actually go both sides on this one. So first we're gonna have you lean your knees to the right, and you're gonna hold this position for 15 seconds, okay? So let's go. These should be fairly gentle at rotating the body, okay? You've got 5 more seconds here. Excellent, okay, let's bring the legs up to the center, and now let's go to the left side. Anytime you have hip pain, the lower back can be involved, so we're trying to address that with this. Excellent. You've got another few seconds here. Let's hold that. Nice deep breaths. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's bring them back up. Excellent. Let's go to the right-hand side now. Okay, we're going to go through this one more time to the left. Excellent. 10 more seconds. Nice deep breaths, nice and relaxed. Do what you can here. Don't push. Okay, let's bring them back up. And one more time to the left. Let's do that. 15 seconds or so here. Again, it's important that you just remain consistent in terms of time. If you want to hold it longer because it feels great, that's fantastic. If you want to do it shorter, that's okay too, but just be consistent. Another 5 seconds. 2, 1, excellent. All right, that's it for our stretching exercises. Let's move on to the strengthening program. So the first exercise we're going to do is for our quadriceps. It's going to be our straight leg raise. All right, so let's have you lay down there for me, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put that right leg down straight, okay? Arms are going to be used for support. Again, we're going to think about tightening our quadriceps, what we refer to as a quadriceps set. It's going to be so that we're pushing our knee down into the floor or the mat. We're going to lift up our leg 6 to 12 inches off the ground. Let's hold that up for a count of 5. 3, 2, 1. Let's bring it down. We're going to do this 10 times, okay? So let's bring it up. Hold it here. This is acceptable. You don't need to go much higher. 2, 1. Okay? Let's bring it up. Hold it in this position. How's that feel? 2, 1. Come on back down. I'll let you do it on your own. Let's bring it up. 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Let's bring it up again. Hold that foot nice and straight. 2, 1. Come on down. Let's bring it up. This is our 6th one here. And let's bring it down. Let's bring it up. 3, 2, 1. Come down. Now, if you're at all fatigued, just relax the leg for a second, okay? Take a break. You don't need to push through this. Again, no pain, no gain. Not acceptable. All right, you feel all right? Okay, let's tighten the quad. Let's bring that leg up, nice and steady. We don't want to start shaking here. We want nice control out of this. Come on back down. All right, let's bring it back up. All right, 3, 2, 1, come on back down. Here's our last one, okay? Let's tighten the quad, bring the leg up. 3, 2, 1, come on back down. Excellent. All right, the next exercise that we're going to do is for our abductors. So we're going to get on our side, but we're going to kind of turn ourselves on the mat. Let's rotate you around to the other side. Okay, we're doing our right leg here, okay? So we're going to take our leg from the side. Now what's important about this is that we don't want to move our leg too far forward or too far back, because then what we'll do is we'll end up using other muscle groups. We'd like to try and keep it nice and straight and thinking about using the hip abductors, the gluteus medius, all right? So we're going to lift it up. Okay, we're going to hold this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Again, 10 times here. We're going to tighten our quadriceps, keep our foot straight. Ready? Let's lift it up. Hold that there. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Let's lift up. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Okay, let's go back up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on down. How do those feel? Good. All right, so you can relax that quad for a sec. Let's take a break. All right, let's tighten our quad, point our toes, and let's lift back up. This is our 5th time here. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Excellent. All right, let's go back up. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Let's go back up. We're 7 here. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. All right, come on, we're doing it. Let's go back up. This is 8. We're almost there on these. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Let's go back up. This is 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. All right, our last one here. Here we go. Let's lift it up. 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Excellent job. All right, our next exercise is for the adductors. So Emily, let's get on your right-hand side now, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our left leg right behind our right, okay? We're gonna do a similar leg raise, okay? We're gonna do this for 5 seconds. We're gonna do it 10 times. So we're gonna make our quadriceps contract, keeping our leg straight, foot pointed up, and we're gonna lift up about 6 inches. Sometimes a hard activity to do, but let's do this. 3, 2, 1, come on back down, okay? Let's lift back up. 4, 3, 2, 1, come on back down. An important thing is we want to keep our pelvis up straight. Again, otherwise we're going to start to utilize some of the other muscles. So let's lift up, hold it there. 3, 2, 1, come on back down. All right, and let's bring it back up. Hold it up there. 3, 2, 1, come on back down. How'd those feel? Difficult, huh? We can make it a little bit more difficult, actually, if we take our leg, put our foot in front of the knee, okay? Now, hip range of motion might be less on doing this, but let's try and lift up now, okay? Nice and straight. Ready? 3, 2, 1, bring it back down. Okay, let's lift it back up. 4, 3, 2, 1, come on down. That's excellent. Let's bring it back up. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, bring it down. Okay, let's bring it back up. Hold it there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and let's just bring our leg back just again here, make it a little bit easier. Pelvis straight up. We're taking a little bit of a break here. Straighten that quad out. Okay, now let's lift up. These are our last 2. Hold it up there. 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. Okay. And our last one, you ready for the last one? All right, tighten up that quad, point that foot, and let's lift it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, put it down. Take a break. It was a great exercise. Our next one is going to be for our buttocks and our gluteus maximus. So let's lay on our belly. Again, we're going to concentrate on a single leg here. We're going to use a small pillow right up underneath our belly. Okay, so let's get that into real good position. That's it, there you go. Whole idea is we want some support for the lower back. We're going to utilize the right leg. We're going to use her gluteus and her upper portion of her hamstring, keeping the leg straight, and let's lift this leg up. Again, we're going to hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. We're going to do this a total of 10 times. Good. Let's bring it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on back down. No back pain with this, right? Good. All right, let's bring it back up. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Good. Arms can be in this position. They can be out, nice and comfortable, whatever makes you feel good. All right, let's straighten that leg. Let's bring it back up. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring it back down. Okay, let's bring it back up. Tighten that leg. Bring it up. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Okay, here we go. Let's lift up. It's our 6th one. 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Great. Now, if this is, again, too easy, you can hold it longer if you'd like or shorter if need be. But I want you to do this correctly. Okay, let's straighten the leg. Bring it up. Hold it there. That's it. Doing a great job, Emily. Hold it there. 2, 1. Bring it back down. Great. All right, let's lift it up. 8 times here. Almost there. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring it back down. Good. All right, let's bring it up. We have 2 more to go here. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Bring it back down. Okay. Here's our last one. You ready for this? Yeah. All right. Let's tighten up that buttocks and that hamstring. Lift up that leg. Great. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. Take a break. Okay. That was a great exercise. The next exercise that we're going to do are for the external and internal rotators. So Emily, let's keep you on your belly there with that pillow in a similar position. We're going to bend our legs upwards so that they're about at a 90-degree angle. We're going to keep our feet together. The first one is that we're going to try and force our feet together, our ankles and our feet together. So here we go. We're going to try and push our feet together, concentrating on the internal rotators. Okay, we're going to hold each time for 5 seconds, and then we're going to relax and bring the feet just gently apart. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 5 seconds. Squeeze them together. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, let's bring them together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Now you feel that in the hips, don't you? Kind of right in through here. Great. Okay, let's do that again. Let's bring them together. We're squeezing. We're performing an isometric contraction. 2, 1. Relax. Great. Okay, let's do that again. 3, 2, 1. Relax. And again, if you're finding this difficult, we can take a break. Let our legs come on down here. All right? So let's bring them back up. I know Emily can do this. Let's bring them together. Hold them together. Squeeze nice and tight. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Let's do that one more time. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We're almost there. Okay, let's go again. Hold them nice and tight. Don't kill yourself. 2, 1, relax. Perfect. We're almost there. We've got 3 more here. You okay? All right, here we go. Let's go. Squeeze them together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's squeeze them back together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. We've got one more to go. Here we go. Let's hold it nice and strong. Let's put them together. Hold them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, relax. Let's bring those legs down. Great job. The next exercise, we're going to flip it and actually just go to the external rotators. We're going to cross our legs, okay? And similarly, we're going to try and push our feet together, concentrating on the external rotators of our hip. Same thing 10 times, 5 seconds or so. Here we go. Ready? Try and push those ankles together. Ready? Hold them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. And we can crisscross the opposite way too. All right? And why don't we do that for all of them? All right? Here we go. Squeeze them together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Flip your feet around. Excellent. Let's squeeze them together. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Flip them. Good. Let's put them together. Squeeze them together. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's flip your feet around again. Great. Squeeze them together. Feel it really in the buttocks region here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Halfway done. Let's flip it around. Here we go. Squeeze them. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Let's maybe just bring our legs down. Just take a quick little break here. Take a nice deep breath. Pillows comfortable? All right, good. Let's bring them back up. Cross your legs. All right, let's squeeze them together for the last few. All right, squeeze them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, flip your feet around. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We've got 2 more here. All right, here we go. Let's make these good ones, all right? Squeeze them together. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, last one. Here we go. And squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. All right, let's bring those legs down. All right, the next series of exercises, come on up, Emily. Let's get you into position here with the chair. We're going to move the chair over here. All right, so let's have you sit down. Okay, we're gonna work again on the adductors in a different position. We're gonna use our towel, okay, to put them through our legs. And again, what we're gonna concentrate on are the adductors. You're gonna use your hands to help you if you need to kind of squeeze through, but again, concentrating on the muscles, hands just for support. We're gonna do this, holding each one for 5 seconds, 10 times, okay? Here we go, let's start. So squeeze those legs inward. Great, should feel that in the inner side. 3, 2, 1, relax. Don't lose that towel. All right, here we go. Let's squeeze them together. 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Great. Let's squeeze them together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Good, how'd those feel? Good, all right, here we go. Let's squeeze them together. 4, 3, 2, 1, good job. Let's relax. Let's squeeze them back together. We're almost halfway through here. 3, 2, 1, relax. You can take a deep breath, relax for a second. All right, let's go again. Let's squeeze them together. 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Great. Let's squeeze them back together. We're working hard here. 3, 2, 1, relax. Now again, if you're tired at this point, stop. If it's too easy, you can do more, but let's keep consistent with this, all right? Here we go. Squeeze together. 3, 2, 1, excellent. Let's relax. Got 2 more here, all right? So let's squeeze them together. 3, 2, 1, relax. Last one, last one. All right, let's squeeze it together. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, excellent. All right, so next exercise is now gonna be for our external rotators. So in the similar position, nice and comfortable, put our hands at the outside of our legs. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna squeeze outward, all right? We're gonna resist that. So let's go. Same thing, 5 seconds, 10 times. Here we go. All right, let's begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. You feel that on the outside now. Excellent, good. All right, let's do that again. Spread them apart, hold them there. Isometric contraction, 2, 1, relax. Let's do it again. Hold them there, don't let them go. 2, 1, relax. Okay, take a deep breath. All right, let's go back again, outward. 3, 2, 1, relax. Good job, you're making it. All right, let's go again, outward. We're halfway through. 3, 2, 1, good, relax. All right, 5 more to go and then we'll be finished. Here we go. Let's go outward. 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay, let's do it again. 2, 1, relax. Good, almost there. Doing a great job, all right? Let's go on outwards. 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. 2 more. Here we go. Let's finish it off strong. Here we go. Stretch outwards. Hold them there. Thinking about your hips. 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Last one. Okay, let's make it a good one. We're going to stand up straight. All right? Or sit straight. And let's push outward. We're going to hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay. We've got one more exercise to go. This is really going to address the core, all right? It's going to help us get up out of a chair. So what I want you to do is scoot back in that chair just a little bit, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to put our arms across our chest and we're going to try and sit up. Now, if any of you have any difficulty with this, we can scooch ourselves a little far forward, okay? And we can try and stand up, or we can use one of our legs behind the other and use that one that's behind as the weight-bearing leg to assist us up. And if you're really having some difficulty, we ask you to use a sturdy chair so that you can use the arms of the chair to help you up, all right? But we'll have you do it just like that, okay? We're gonna do this 10 times, okay? And again, if you can't complete this, take a break and just finish what you can, all right? So let's have you stand up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bend at the waist and we're gonna stand up, nice and slow in a controlled fashion. Let's sit back down. Excellent, okay? Bend at the waist, sit up, come on back down. Great. How do those feel?
Good.
Nice and controlled. What's important about this, you can sit on, come on back up, is that it's about motion and control. It's not about stacking weights here. It's about making sure that we're doing things properly. And come on back down. An exercise like this is incredibly instrumental in getting you back to your normal way of life. Okay, we're doing great. Let's come back up. You're halfway through. That's number 6. Excellent. Nice and easy, nice and slow. We don't need to do this rushed, just in a controlled fashion. Let's sit, stand back up. Great, good. Come on back down. All right, last 2. Come on back up. Come on back down. All right, here's our last one. Let's make it nice and tall and up and come on back down. Great job, Emily. You all did a fantastic job. I hope you enjoyed this rehab workout. If you feel comfortable, go back and do this program for your non-injured side. Remember, you must be careful. This might actually cause some discomfort on the injured side. If you've been doing this workout over the last few weeks and your pain has improved, you may advance to level 2, or you may want to do level 1 exercises actually wearing an ankle weight. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll see you back in a day or 2.